Hello friends, meet the all new Maruti Suzuki Ignis 2020 variant. You can see the new design on the front. Now the car gets new front grille and front bumper. The headlamp cluster is similar to that of previous generation, that is it is having projector headlamps and LED DRLs. You can see the fog lamp. The new enclosure is good looking and gels well with the new design theme. The front end looks more aggressive now and the car gets much needed refreshment after a long time. This is one of the best compact crossover from Suzuki. Coming to the side, you can see the silver colored roof rails. Now all the variants except the base variant get this roof rail as standard package. Also the claddings all around. This is also part of the package except in the base variant. I will show you the Delta variant, that is the variant just above the base variant, towards the end of this video. You can see the 15-inch black alloy wheel which is similar to that of previous generation car. Coming to the back, you can see some changes as well. Most of the changes is given to the rear bumper. I will show you the original design in the insert. You can see the completely revamped rear bumper now. You can see no change to the rear except for the all new rear bumper and the pseudo scuff plates. You can see the spoiler and antenna. They could have changed the antenna to shark fin type. Instead they have retained the antenna design. Once again, you can see keyless entry being offered in the Zeta and top of the line Alpha variants. Widely openable doors, dual tone interior. You can see body colored door grab. Fabric seats. Seats are well contoured and supportive. You can see the 60:40 rear split seat. No armrest for rear or front seats. You can see the steering wheel, footwell area. There you get dead pedal, spacious footwell area, that's a push button start. Interior design is same as that of previous generation, no change at all. Even the top of the line Alpha variant do not get leather wrapping for steering wheel. You can see the steering wheel controls are there. That is a Smart Play Studio touchscreen system, glove box. There is no change for interior compared to previous generation. The touchscreen system is really responsive and it has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and reverse camera support. That is the automatic climate control and well put together switch controls. They are very tactile and very easy to use. This is available only in the Alpha variant. Rest of the variants get manual AC. The instrument cluster is having tachometer and a multi-information display. New Ignis gets a different type of key fob. I personally liked the previous styled key fob. Anyway, they have given Ignis much needed refreshment for exterior. Coming to the back, it's very easy to get inside and outside because of the tall boy stands. Plenty of space. You can see the bottle holder, flat transmission tunnel, decent knee space. 3 adults can sit comfortably here. The car now gets a new BS6 1.2 liter petrol engine with a 5-speed manual or 6-speed AGS gearbox. It has a decent boot space of 260 liters. Now coming to the Delta variant, this is the variant just above the base Sigma variant. You can see the front end gets no fog lamp, there is no projector headlamp, no LED DR. Even the chrome elements are missing. But the car now gets the body claddings which was earlier seen only in Zeta and Alpha variant. So even the Delta gets the body claddings and it also gets wheel caps, full wheel caps. Coming to the interior, you can see similar treatment. Even the car gets electronic adjustment for ORVM and full power windows. That is all 4 door gets power windows. This is a car with some accessories. So you are seeing the steering wheel cover, the reverse camera integrated to the IRVM. They are all accessories. Even the mats are accessories. But you can see the other aspects like the rear getting power windows now in Delta as well. This roof rail and rear spoiler is also standard from Delta onwards. So Delta is now absolute value for money. Even the 60:40 split seat, rear parcel tray, and the all new bumper with the pseudo scuff plate is there. The Delta variant even has got reverse parking sensors as well. So it is absolute value for money. So if you are interested, do a test drive and decide the variant according to your budget. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support.